Hello everyone and hello world. For today's video, we will be inserting documents or videos or pictures in the PowerPoint template. And here's how to do it. Now you open your PPT, as you can see, and then you go to the slide where you want to insert the document. Then you click insert and then you choose some shapes. It can be other shapes that you like, but I chose this arrow and then another shape for the documents that I want to insert there. And then we will be adding text inside of it. Right click and then add text and then you type now. So I will choose to put another video or to put a video in this. That's the monthly giveaways videos. And after that, you right click again the box and then you look for the link. You click the link and then you locate now the video. It is advisable that the video that you will insert there is not in a shortcut. I mean, you really need to save that in the proper place, not a shortcut one. Then you click the presentation view or the slide there at the bottom. This is what happens when you insert a shortcut link. Because when you insert a shortcut file, you can see this image. You will always be clicking OK and then it will come out. The video will eventually come out. It can still be there. The video will still come out, but every time that you click the slide button at the bottom, and then you will always see that. If this happens to you, you re-click it or edit the link. If you want to edit the link, you just click that part and then right click it and then you click again the link and then you locate the file that you want to insert. The file that is not in a shortcut. Please take note of that. Because when you select a link, which is not a shortcut one, when you click that now, it will directly go to your video. Now, what if we would like to insert another file? So this time, I will go again to the insert and select a shape again, another shape. Okay, so for this moment, I selected this one, the circle. And then you right click it and then edit text and then you type the text. This time we will be inserting a picture. Then you right click again, you click the link and then you locate the file or the JPEG that you want to insert. Take note, it should be not in a shortcut one. And then after clicking that, you click again the slide show and then you click the picture. So there it is. How about if we will again select another to insert another link? So I would like to choose this one. It's a rectangle again. Right click again, you click the edit text because you want to put that's a document. This time we will be inserting a link in a Microsoft Word document. Okay, so as you can see, I already located it and inserted the link. Now it's time to click the slide view. When you click the document, it will present the file or the Word document that you inserted. Okay. So it's successfully done. And as of this moment, let's try another one. Let us insert a text, not just a shape, but a text one. Let's have an example. Okay, this time we will be inserting a PowerPoint presentation, another PPT file. And then you right click, you go to the link, and then you choose again the location of the file that you want to insert. After locating it, you click and then click OK. It's already inserted. Then click the slideshow and then click the PPT. And then there you go. We can now see the presentation in the PowerPoint. So that's how easy it is to insert files using your PowerPoint. I hope that you've learned something in this video. Until next time.